Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, it's Mitson Learning here and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my experience with the Python Bootcamp course on Udemy. If you're someone who's looking to dive into the world of Python or boost your existing knowledge, then stick around as I take you through this comprehensive course. Course objectives. The course aims to provide a solid foundation in Python programming, starting from the basics and progressing to more advanced topics. By the end of the course, you'll have a strong understanding of Python syntax, functions, data structures, and even web development with Flask. It's designed to be a comprehensive bootcamp, covering everything you need to know to become a proficient Python programmer. Targeted audience. This course is suitable for anyone who has a basic understanding of programming concepts and wants to learn Python. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with some prior experience, this bootcamp will cater to your needs. It's also great for developers who want to add Python to their skill set or data scientists who are looking to enhance their data analysis capabilities. Course content. Now, let's dive into the course content and see what you can expect to learn. In the first section, you'll get your hands dirty with basic Python syntax, data types, variables, and operators. You'll learn how to write clean and efficient code, and even work with conditional statements and loops. By the end of this section, you'll have a strong foundation to build upon. Next, you'll delve into functions, file I/O, and object-oriented programming. You'll understand how to define and call functions, manipulate files, and create your own classes and objects. This is where things start to get exciting as you begin to see the true power of Python in solving real-world problems. Data structures, like lists, dictionaries, and trees, are crucial in building efficient applications. In the third section, you'll master these data structures and learn how to manipulate and analyze data effectively. You'll also understand the importance of algorithms and how to apply them in various scenarios. If you're interested in web development, the fourth section is tailor-made for you. You'll learn how to create web applications using Flask, a lightweight web framework for Python. You'll master the basics of routing, templates, and deploying your applications to the web. It's an exciting journey from zero to a full-fledged web app. And finally, you'll put everything you've learned into practice with a series of hands-on projects. These projects will challenge you to apply your Python skills to solve real-world problems, from data analysis to web scraping. It's the perfect opportunity to showcase your newfound skills and build your portfolio. Overall impressions. This course truly lives up to its name as a bootcamp. It's fast-paced, engaging, and packed with practical examples and exercises. The instructor's teaching style is clear and easy to follow, making the learning experience enjoyable. The course is also regularly updated with new content and improvements, ensuring that you're always learning the most up-to-date information. One thing I particularly loved about this course is the focus on real-world examples and projects.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.